That's all I got. My back hurts. I can't do it anymore. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment. Of course.
Koufax. The
Denver.
facts.
Round facts. Alright. So now our oil and our lye mixture is within 15 degrees apparently. 118. 130. 130? Look at the little laser. Meow. Sorry.
Yeah, you're good.
Alright. I don't want to add my vitamin E yet, right?
Yeah.
I can?
I think so.
Alright, so I have one capsule of vitamin E. I'm taking a pin, I'm poking the hole in the top of the vitamin E, and we're going to give her a squirt.
Because that's the noise that vitamin E makes. There's a lot coming out of that little thing. Do you still need your eye protection?
Yep. Yeah, because the lye.
You're going to pour the lye.
I'm going to burn the lye soon. Okay. Fuck it.
Okay.
Okay. Vitamin E is in there now. And now we're going to add the lye. Okay. I'm going to slowly add this and carefully. I should have gloves on because this is going to splash. Let's do this and be safe. Keep your goggles on. Wait. Bring that camera up in here. Yeah. Okay, ready? And no particles. I probably should have strained it, but I didn't see a darn thing. It looks fantastic.
I cleaned it this time.
And you cleaned it last time too. It probably just blew in there. Alright, now we're going to use the mixer and stir it to trace, correct?
Correct.
What does trace mean?
It's a term used by soap makers, and it's as if you can trace your initials in a soap. It's like a, I'll show you when you get there.
Whoa, look at that! It's like sucking to the bottle.
Be careful to not splash it.
Don't splash it. So that's why they do this in between to break them bubbles up. So you're gonna blend and then stir a little bit to break up those bubbles that it makes. Aha! There's a technique! I'm learning technique. I can do this.
The student becomes the teacher.
If the girls can do it, I can do it. Alright, what about now? Yeah. I think that's good. Because it's gonna start getting more trace as I mix the colors too, right?
Not too much because you're mixing that by hand.
Mm-hmm. I gotta take these glasses off. That's hot. Okay. So now what I want to do is I'm going to put some of it, I'm going to mix the color. Oh, no, wait. I'm going to mix the scent in, right?
No, I would do your color first. I think scents always last.
Well, the color, I'm going to separate them for the colors.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah, you're right.
I would do the scent next.
1.7.
1.7, so this is 1/2. Yeah, I'm actually not going to do 1.7.
Okay.
I'm going to do 1.25.
Okay.
So I'm going to do half of this vetiver because this is 2.
Okay. I'm assuming you're just gonna eyeball it.
Yeah, I can, but what I'm gonna
There's a little bowl there. Those are
Do you
for-
assume we're gonna go halvesies on this and we'll weigh it? Whoops, without the cap, I'm gonna weigh it.
Okay.
Zero it out. Wait. Zero it out. Did you just fart?
I think it was one of the dogs.
2.40. So 0.40 is going to be the bottle. So I'm going to go down to 2.2 ish. Or 2.1, 2.4. No, 1.4. No, that's not that. Two. Yeah, that's strong. I don't know if I'm going to do too much more of that.
It's fun that it looks like cake too.
Yeah, I'd rather underdo the oil than overdo the oil, because I don't want my fellows to reek, because then the ladies are gonna be like, ah, dude, you reek. All right, let's put a little bit in the cup for our golden band inside here. Ooh, it's still hot.
Mhm.
You still don't want to get it on you.
It looks great.
I'm gonna just eyeball it here. Like that. Okay. Now I'm going to do a little bit of gold and make the rest of that black. It says a tablespoon.
Yeah, I think
I
so.
wouldn't. I would do.
Whatever you want. You've been doing whatever you want to do anyway.
Yep. I'm going to do a teaspoon.
Here you go. This one.
Oh yeah, thanks. Okay. So let me get this in here now. We should have done. Trace was too much, huh?
I guess you're right.
Yeah, we should have done it sooner.
It's also maybe because of the oil fragrance, because different fragrances could make it.
Make it hard faster?
Mhm.
Okay.
That's probably what happened.
Okay. Well, that's alright. We're gonna just go with the flow. We're gonna go with the flow. Deep gray. Oh, yeah.
You want it just straight on top, or?
Evenly, preferably. Alright. Now that is going to dry. Boom. Like so. And I'm going to, just for fun and a little bit of texture, I'm going to put a little bit of bee pollen on there for exfoliation. All right, so we're gonna let this cure for how long?
It stays in the mold for like 3 days.
Like 3 days. We're gonna let this cure, then we're gonna pop it out, and I'm probably gonna cut it into 4s, so I'll have at least 4 bars, possibly 6. And since this is my first try at this, we'll probably get back to you and show you the bars when it's done, but they will cure on the shelf for 30 days, correct?
Yep.
At least
4 to 6 weeks. Yep.
4 to 6 weeks. All right.
All right.
Our soap bars.